Olap. Olap is referred to as an online analytical processing. It's a computing method that enables users to easily and selectively extract and query data in order to analyze it from different points of views. ORAP business intelligence queries often aid in trend analysis, financial reporting, sales forecasting, budgeting, and other planning processes. This is group 2, Mugirai Simana, Saz Jovia, and Guide Conrad. For example, a user can request that data can be analyzed to display a spreadsheet showing all of the company's bench ball products sold in Florida in 1 month of July. Compare revenue figures with those of the same products in September, and then the comparison of the products sales in September. So here we use Olap. How Olap works: to facilitate this kind of analysis, data is collected from multiple data sources and stored in a data warehouses, then cleaned and organized into data cubes. Each Olap cube contains data categorized by dimensions, such as customers, geographical sales, region, and time. Always time is part of the dimension, derived by dimension tables in a data warehouse. Data dimensions are often populated by members, such as customers, countries, and months. And Mugerai Isma will continue from analysis can provide 5 types of analytical operations against these multiple dimension databases.
So these are some of the Olap operations, which include roll-up, which can be called rolling. Roll-up, also known as consolidation or drill-up. This operation summarizes the data along the dimension. Then we have the drill down, which can be called the drilling. This allows analysis to navigate deeper among the dimensions of data, for example, drilling down from time period to years to chart sales growth for a product. Then next we have the slice, which can be called slicing. This enables an analyst to take one level of information from display for displays such as sales in 2017. Then we have the dicing or the dice. This allows analysts to select data from multiple dimensions to analyze, such as sales of blue beach balls in lower in 2000. Then you have pivoting. Analysis can gain a new view of data by rotating the data axis of the cube. So to understand this more, Olap software then locates the intersection of dimensions such as all products sold in the eastern region above a certain price during a certain period and displays them. Here we can see the Olap process, how data is prepared for online analytical process. You can see the data source. Then from the data source, we go to the data warehouse. Then from the data warehouse, we go to the Olap tube. And Olap tube, then we have the app queries, then user is the last. Then types of Olap systems, a multidimensional Olap, relational Olap, hybrid Olap. Here, there's the difference between Olap and OLTP. So those are the differences between Olap and OLTP. As you can see, online transact process handles recent operation data, whereas Olap handles all historical data. The goal in size is smaller, typically ranging from 100 M to 10 GB in online transaction processing, whereas in Olap, size is larger, typically ranging from 1 terabyte to 100 PB. Another difference is Olap. In Olap, goal is to make decisions from large data sources, whereas for OLTP, goal is to perform day-to-day operations. As you can see, those are the differences between Olap and OLTP. Then we have uses of Olap. Olap can be used for data mining or the discovery of previous and relationships between data items. Olap products include IBM Oracle Olap, Oracle S-Base. Olap features are also included in tools such as Microsoft Excel, among others. So that's all about Olap. Yeah. Maybe let me introduce my colleague, Nesas Jovia. Continue from there.